Can it be fixed? Marvin R. Schwartz. I'm here to explain the process that is involved to purchasing a new toilet if you have to. There are basic components to a toilet that you need to understand with a new purchase. First, you have the bowl, you have the tank, you have the lid, you have the seat, and you also have the hardware packet. All these items will be placed in a box of a new toilet. Everything you need to install this toilet is here, except for the plumbing down below. We'll cover that in an upcoming video. But today I just want to share with you the different basic components of a toilet. So let's talk about this. The basic foundation of a toilet is the bowl. The bowl will sit on a plumbing flange looking something like this. Yours may be different, but this gives you an idea. And with this, there are two bolts that stick out that are called toilet flange bolts. They come in your packet. They slide in here and go like this. If you should need to replace those from your old, which I would recommend because you do get new ones with the toilet that you've just purchased. This is sitting basically like this in the floor, where this area and this are across from each other, usually screwed in. And as far as the condition of your floor, you'll have to determine that at the time. Sometimes the floor will rot from a leaky toilet and it gets a little bit spongy. You'll need to address that if that is an issue. And it's something I can talk to you about if you so desire. But for today, we're just going to cover the basic components of a new toilet. Okay, you have your flange or your tank to flange bolts. They stick out about so high, and you set this toilet right on the flange using a wax ring, again supplied with the new toilet in the hardware packet. The wax ring seats on the bottom of this toilet, and right in here is where the bolts will come through. You tighten it down. You take this toilet and you rock it so that it seats down on this wax ring supplied in your hardware packet. Once you get the toilet bowl securely fastened and positioned, you can turn it one way or the other to make it align with your walls. This isn't difficult. Anybody can do it. The next component is the tank. And the tank comes already assembled with all the components in that you need for this. And the water attaches here and goes down to your valve. This tank will sit on top of this bowl like this. There's a gasket that will attach in here, and it is included. It's a compressed gasket that you set down on the top of your tank, set the bowl in, and then there's tank to bowl nuts, bolts, and they look like this, but they're in your packet. The rubber neoprene washers go inside your tank, and the bolts come down through, and you tighten up from the bottom. It's really an easy operation. The next component to buying a new toilet is not only the lid, but the seat, As you can see, each new toilet is supplied with a lid and a seat, and as I've mentioned, a hardware packet. So here, the recap of all of this. You have the bowl, you have the tank, you have the lid, you have the seat, you have the hardware packet also that comes with everything you'll need to install this toilet. Easy to install. It's part of fixing things around the home. That's the components of a new toilet. I hope you found this video to be informative. I truly enjoy bringing them to you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification button for my upcoming videos. Can it be fixed? Yes, it can. Most of the time by you, some of the time by me. Other times, you just have to get someone else. Can it be fixed? Marvin R. Schwartz. Appreciate you. Take care. And I'll see you in the next video.